Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back with another video tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how you would be able to enable or disable the Windows security of your laptop or Windows PC. Okay, so let's start. It's very easy, just follow this few process. The very first thing you need to do is to go to the taskbar and go click on this arrow button here, and please click on this shield icon. This is the Windows security. Okay, so if you want to turn off or disable the virus and threat protection, all you need to do is just click on it, and here go to the option that says virus and threat protection settings. Just click on manage settings. Okay, so to disable everything, we need to go turn off. And after doing so, this user account control window will come up on our screen. So just click on yes. And the device drive protection will automatically go off. For the cloud delivered protection, all we need to do again is just turn it off. As well as for the automatic sample submission, the tamper protection, and nothing else. Okay, so after doing so, all you need to do is just make a quick restart of your laptop or PC. And now, when you're done with your process of installing whatever you are installing in your laptop that requires for the Windows security to be disabled or turned off, and now you want to enable it and you want to turn it on, then just like what we did with the with the process lately. So again, we need to click on this arrow button here and then go click again on the shield icon. And we need to turn on this virus and threat protection. Just click on this turn on button. And then this user account control again will pop up on our screen. So just click on yes. So just click again virus and threat protection. And here, under the option that says virus and threat protection settings, just click on turn on. Again, another prompt window will come up on our screen, so just click again yes. And here we will be able to manage its settings. Now this real-time protection is on, as well as the device drive protection. The cloud delivered protection is also on. So all we need to do is just manually on this automatic sample submission. Just click again yes. And then the tamper protection. And nothing else. Okay? So when we go back, we can see that this virus and threat protection icon or option is now already checked with this green mark. So this indicates that this is already enabled. And that's how you do it. So I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye bye.